What's up everyone, I'm back with a new video, and today's program is all about fuzzy sets in Python. Before moving forward, let's know what is fuzzy set, script set, and what is support. So let's see what is script set. A crisp set is a normal set, like we have done mathematics. In mathematics we have seen set, union, disjunction, etc. It is like that only, but here what we see, a crisp set can have only two values, either 0 or 1, that is either true or false. Like each element either belongs or does not belong to the set. Suppose membership value is only 1 or 0. Suppose example a 1 2 3 4. Now checks, now it is checking that does 2 belongs to the set A. It is yes, so 1. Now it is checking 5 does belongs to set A. It is no, so the membership value is 0. Basically we can say, if take an example like is a person tall, we can say yes, 1. But is a person not tall, we can say 0. Now like if we want to discuss what is a fuzzy set, a fuzzy set allows partial membership. Like if we want to take an average of something, like let's take an example. Does the apple grows in winter season? It is yes or no. And now I modify the question, how many apple ripes in winter season? Now here comes a probability scenario, and in this scenario the answers doesn't only can get in 0 or 1 like true or false, but the value comes in between. So a fuzzy set is a set whose value is between 0 and 1. Example of fuzzy set: A is the element and 0.2 is membership. One thing Chris said basically deals with two things, that is element and its member. So on left hand side it has its elements, and on right hand side it has its member. Now all those crisp set whose membership values ranges between 0 and 1, it is set as a fuzzy set. Suppose like here, A is a set whose element is A, and member is 0.2. The example is given here. A belongs to slightly 0.2, B belongs to moderately 0.2, C fully belongs to 1.0, and D does not belong to 0.0. Here 175 centimeter is partially tall, not just because yes or no like script said. Now if we want to find out what is support, a support is an element whose membership is always greater than 1. So this set was given here, this was the set given, and out of this the member and element whose element is greater than 0, it will become under the support set. Let's say A. So here A, B, C, its value is greater than 0, so it's come under the support set. So what we get to know till now, we knew what is fuzzy set, script set, and support. Again I am repeating, fuzzy set is basically first I am repeating the crisp set. Crisp set is basically a set whose value could be either true or false, that is 0 or 1. But there are scenarios where we only cannot define an answer in, we cannot define the answer in yes or no. So we here comes the introduction of fuzzy set. It gives the range between 0 and 1. Now all those fuzzy set elements whose members are greater than 0, it comes under the support. Now let's see the program. Before proceeding to the program, let me tell two things. Here we will be taking the help of list and dictionary. Let's go to the program. So this is the program. Before defining the function, let me take to the main program. Here in it is taking n equals to int input. It is basically taking the number of elements we want to include in a fuzzy set. So it is taking a dictionary, blank dictionary value input. Now basically why we are taking dictionary, we know in dictionary it is a key value pair elements, and same goes in fuzzy set. In fuzzy set we also have element along with its membership value. So element is the key and membership value is the pair. Now we are running a for loop for I in range n until it is in the range of elements. It is taking the input. Now until it is in range, it is we are declaring a variable element. It is taking the input, and for the same the membership value it is taking the input. Now what it is doing, it is appending the values in the fuzzy blank dictionary that we have taken, elements and membership. Element is the key and membership is the value. It got inside the fuzzy set, and it is stored there. Now here is the concept of function. What the function is actually doing, we are defining a function compute support, and it's within it we are declaring an parameter that is fuzzy set. Inside it we are taking a list. What this list will do, it will store the support values that are retrieved from the dictionary. Now we are checking for elements and membership in the fuzzy set. It is checking each items of the fuzzy set that we have created here. Now if the membership value is greater than 0, it will simply append the element, inside this list, and it will return the list. Now coming on to the line 25, we are basically calling the function in a variable declared support set, and after that we are simply printing fuzzy set, printing fuzzy set, fuzzy set, the actual fuzzy set that we have created, and then we are printing the support set. Let's run the program now. Enter a number of elements. I am entering 3 elements. First one is 1, its value is 1. Second 2, its value is 0.1. Third is 3, its value is 0.2. Now we can see the fuzzy set here and the support, as 1, 2 and 3 elements have values greater than 0, so it has included all these under this support, that is the crisp set. Now if you want to show the same thing with the help of the diagram, you can see here is the photo. I have tried to demonstrate it graphically. Like we are taking the range of n, the number of elements we need in fuzzy set, then it is creating a key value pair elements and membership. Though I have shown here different dictionaries, but it would be stored in a single dictionary. After that, seeing that if it's come under the support that the membership value is greater than 0, then it will get appended in the support list, and so this is the filtered one support list, and ultimately we will get the output like here crisp set whose values members are greater than 0.